Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Gmail without a phone number. So first you have to simply go to the App Store, and after that you have to click on to your profile picture and click onto that arrow which is along with your username. Then you have to click onto this add another account option. Then it will just take a while to load. It will take you to this page. Now here you have to click on create account option which is there and click on for my personal use. Then you have to add your first name, your last name, click on next, and after that it will just take a while. Then you have to add your date of birth and your gender. Make sure to add the correct one and make sure it is above 18. Once you're done, click on next. Then after that you just have to simply create a username. If it says that it already exists, you can just simply try a different combination, and once it doesn't show an issue, that means you're good to go. Then click on next. After that, you just have to simply create a password. Once you have created, click on next. Then again, it will just take a while to load. Then you just have to simply get agree with their terms and condition, and after that your account will be created. And here you can see it didn't ask for any contact number, it just created the account. So here you can see the new account is created without any phone number. That's how you can use Gmail without phone number. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you so much for watching the video.